The quality triangle shown here historically illustrates an assumed fact that each leg of the triangle affects the other two. For example, to increase quality, it will take more time or more money or both. This conclusion essentially held true until the advent of automation. Henry Ford proved that more cars could be made with good quality at a lower cost by using an assembly line process. With this in mind, please watch this brief video on how online automation using a cloud-based platform improves quality assurance and reduces cost for the residential energy analysis process.
How does REMCheck help you get more QA completed with fewer QADs? It removes the back and forth request and supply delays by connecting the QADs directly to the Raiders project management system. We used to have to request photos and file data and wait to receive it by email. Then we would have to open the email, download all the attachments, file them in our digital filing system under the correct rater, and then we could start looking at it all. With REMCheck, there are no email submissions. The files that are ready for the registry are submitted to the QAD's QA queue. The QAD can choose to perform a deep dive on any file they like just by clicking on a row. All the photos and PDFs and SketchUp files for the job, as well as any program-required files such as Energy Star checklists, are immediately available. REMCheck includes a pre-check that performs all the model checks that a computer can perform. It checks all the math and checks for consistency in the file. It even has a little bit of artificial intelligence for checking uncommon construction practices, such as ceilings that are shorter than 7 feet tall and flat roofs on residential homes. All in all, it performs over 130 checks instantly. These items are also presented to the rater before the file is ever submitted, so the rater performs a self-check and corrects fat finger and modeling mistakes before the file ever gets to the QAD. The QAD only needs to check for things that a human must review, such as making sure all the windows in the photos were included in the model, that the information in the photos and in the PDFs matches the information in the model, that all required information was included in the model, and that all the standards have been met. This helps avoid QAD burnout, because the QAD is not having to perform the same math checks over and over and over again. The QAD can see what's in the model without ever having to download and open it. The information is organized logically, so the QAD can quickly see if something is out of whack. The review process is automated also, so with just a few clicks, a QAD can return the rating file to the rater with full review comments, can request additional photos or data, or can approve the file, set the print permissions, and log the amount of review performed. The rater is automatically notified that the review is complete and that a resubmit will be required or that the job has been approved. The rater can download the file with the print permissions set directly from the system. REMCheck automates many required providership tasks as well. File and field QA report generation is fully automated and approved by ResNet. The quarterly REM rate license report is available at the touch of a button. REMCheck provides a method of tracking calibrations for energy testing equipment, tracking insurance policies and their expiration dates, and tracking professional development CEUs. The raters track this information in REMCheck, and the providers have access as is required by the programs that they're providing for. The quality and quantity of data collected in the QA process illuminates weak areas where raters might need more training. REMCheck gives providers an automated method of meeting the requirements of ResNet's new incentive programs for reduced QA fees based on excellent performance. Raters receive several benefits from REMCheck as well. REMCheck provides raters with a cloud-based storage system for all their ratings, fully accessible from anywhere on any device. There's no limit to the amount of photos, PDFs, or SketchUp files that they can attach to a job. Raters tell us this allows them to look very professional in front of their builders because they can pull up the job file and have everything they need right at their fingertips. Raters also appreciate the self-QA feature. It helps them learn to generate accurate energy models, and since it provides non-judgmental feedback about any math or consistency issues, it saves them from embarrassment while shortening their QA turnaround time since their models are highly accurate when they're submitted. REMCheck also comes with its partner app, REMCollect. REMCollect is a hybrid app data collection tool that automates in-field data and photo collection and automatically loads all field-collected items back to REMCheck. The data collected is used to automatically generate a REM rate file, cutting down on the hours needed at the computer for energy modeling. REMCheck also expedites and simplifies multifamily ratings, allowing for all units to be grouped within a project, sharing common items such as appliance energy ratings and equipment AHRI certificates. Energy professionals can also use these tools for energy audit or code compliance jobs that do not turn into HERS ratings, which allows them to keep all their work in one system. REMCheck supports providers, QADs, and raters. It's a win-win-win solution.